Hello everyone, welcome to my new YouTube channel. And it's going to be about low, high, fast and slow cars, custom cars, cars off the showroom, um, classic cars, new modern cars, but mainly from the Chevy, GM eras, brands, and several different eras. Um, I do have we have several projects because me and my brother rented out the shop. Here's some of them. We'll go in depth later on, but right now I'm gonna focus on a 2000 Chevy Silverado. I have. Um, it's a pretty work. It's a workhorse. I do got rust on it. It's primarily badly. I haven't given any love to it in a while, but it's gonna get some TLC soon. Eventually, I'll get more on it, but for right now, it's just like basic tune-ups, fix here and there. Like right now, I'm gonna do the window regulator. It kind of went off on me a while back, and I did order the window regulator kit. And as you can see, right here. Oops, right here, yeah. I gotta take out the panel. This panel. I already disconnected this because if I would have, got down an accident, it would have made more of a mess down there. Like I said, it's a workhorse. And not a while back, maybe a couple weeks ago, we got a hailstorm and it got the windows pretty badly on both sides. I'll change those out later on. And as you can see, I still got hits because rust. Yeah, gotta fix that rust. So for now, I'm gonna work on the window regulator. Eventually, I'll get more stuff on it. I did buy the kit over here. And excuse the mess because we got a pretty busy shop right here. My best friend's it. Yeah, we're gonna start getting this right now. I gotta cut out right now. I gotta get the panels off and then start getting on this. So I'm back after taking off the panel. I went ahead and put tape on the other side so I can hold the window up. Because once you take off the window regulator, right here, the window has a chance of going down. There was 6 bolts I had to take off and 2 of them on the window regulator itself to let go of the glass right there. And they were all 10s. And don't forget to take off your harnesses. And alright, I'm gonna go get the other one and install it right now. Alright, I already got the new regulator inside. I already put all the bolts on there, but I did not tighten them just yet. I'll wait for once I put the glass in there. Neat little trick is just kind of touch your window switches right here, so you can bring up the window regulator a little bit higher. So when you get close to the glass, I'm not sure you can see the glass right here. You can just set it in there and then tie it in, and then it'll be in there. All right, let me get to that real quick. All right, got it installed. I tightened up all the bolts. Just make sure when you do put it in on the window, you know how we had the tape earlier, is we set it on these correctly. So you have to kind of push down on them so that way it's even. You know what I mean? But yeah, as you can see, there we go. Now we just gotta install it. As you see on the whole regulator, we do have these bushings for the window so it won't crack. Just make sure when you do put it on, we got this here on this notch and this here. That's where it goes through. All right, let me finish putting up the panels again. One thing about the window regulating motor is you don't just want to change this out. You want to go ahead and change the whole kit out, because what happens is when they tangle inside the motor, these wires tend to tangle. Eventually, if you just change this, everything's gonna get tangled again. and sometimes it's just hard getting that engine, the motor in. So it's probably cheaper, easier just to get the whole set in. And I'm sorry if you can't hear me well because the air conditioner is going off here. Right. And the whole thing about some of these trucks is not, these just go over the door, quickly get in there. I mean, that's one of the things that made them really easy to steal the interiors because of how they go in. And this interior particularly is like a reddish brown, and it's actually called oak. Alright guys, there it goes. Installed. Didn't take very long. Took about 20 minutes, 30 minutes. And the reason it took that long is because I was looking for the tools. I have no clue where any of the tools are in here. We have a pretty messy shop right now. But that's it for this video. I will be probably getting more parts for this truck, or maybe I'll be from time to time showing other vehicles we have, like for example this one. That's probably one of my brother's other projects, but he's not sure. He wants to finish his first. I'll talk about these later, but for now, that's pretty much it. Sorry for my voice. It's kind of nervous on this still, and sorry about the so much of like here, there, or like my words, because again, it's the first time I'm doing this. But I will try to get better. All right, thanks guys. Subscribe and like.